Hi, this is Pami, your pambansang dalaga. Sino sa inyo na nanonood ngayon at nakikinig in her 40s at dalaga pa rin? Alam nyo ba, it's okay to be single. In a world that celebrates engagements, weddings, anniversaries, monthsaries, relationship goals, being single can sometimes feel like you're falling behind. Parang may invisible deadline ang buhay. Yung maririnig mo, "Kailan ka mag-aasawa? Wala ka pa ring boyfriend or girlfriend. Bakit baka mapag-iwanan ka?" 'Di ba yan yung mga naririnig natin? Pero here's the truth, life is not a race and love is not a deadline. Some people are single because they choose to put family first. I think nandiyan ako sa kategoring yan. Yan ang pinaka-rason ko rin eh. Habang ang iba ay nagde-date, may mga taong inuuna ang pagpapaaral ng mga kapatid, pagpapagamot sa magulang, o pagiging breadwinner ng pamilya. Hindi dahil wala silang kakayahang magmahal ha, kundi dahil may mga taong mas nangangailangan muna ng pagmamahal at sakripisyo nila. Ito naman, yung iba single because they're chasing a dream. They're building a business, they're finishing a degree, they're establishing a career, healing from a failure probably, or creating a life they can be proud of before inviting someone else into it. Hindi selfish ang unahin ng sariling pangarap. Minsan, iyon ang pinakamagandang regalong may bibigay mo sa partner mo balang araw. Ang isang taong buo, may direksyon at handang magmahal nang hindi umaasa na ibang tao ang kukumpleto sa kanya. You know, some remain single because they're still battling insecurities. May mga taong hirap mahalin ang sarili dahil sa mga sugat. Sugat ng nakaraan, may nawalan ng confidence dahil sa rejection, betrayal, o yung paulit-ulit na pagkukumpara sa sarili niya sa iba. And that's okay. Healing doesn't follow a schedule. Hindi ka late, hindi ka less than, at lalong hindi ka failure dahil wala kang partner. The worst reason to enter a relationship is the fear of being alone. Because loneliness inside a relationship hurts far more than peaceful solitude. Ang pagiging single ay hindi kakulangan. Isa lamang itong season ng buhay. A season to discover who you are. A season to strengthen your faith. A season to build your future. Probably also a season to heal your heart. A season to learn that your worth has never depended on whether someone chooses you. At kung dumating ang tamang tao, wow, wonderful. At kung hindi pa siya dumarating, wonderful pa rin. Because your life is already meaningful, not because someone is holding your hand, but because you are living it with purpose. Hindi mali ang maging single. Hindi ka dapat mahiya. Hindi mo kailangang magmadali para lang makasabay sa timeline ng iba. May kanya-kanya tayong kwento. May kanya-kanyang panahon. At tandaan mo ito, being single is not a sign that life has forgotten you. Sometimes, it's simply giving you the time and space to become the person you're meant to be. Whether love comes tomorrow, years from now, or not in the way you imagine, your value remains exactly the same because your relationship status has never defined your worth. You are already enough. So, if your season right now is one of responsibility, healing, or growth, don't let anyone make you feel that your life is on hold. Sometimes, the most meaningful chapters are the ones you write while you're walking your path alone. Muli, ito po si Pami, ang inyong pambansang dalaga.